one of the most important jobs you need to do to get your lawn looking lush and green is to aerate it. The purpose of aeration is to break that surface cap that you get on the lawn and allow oxygen and water to go down to the deep roots of the grass. Here you can see the basic operation of an aerating machine and what it does. It drives down spikes or tongs into the lawn, creating little holes to allow that moisture and that oxygen to get to the roots. The spread of the holes and how deep they go largely depends on the level of compaction you have in your lawn and how much you want to improve it. But I do recommend you go as deep and as close together as possible without ruining the look of the lawn. The size of your aerator really depends on the size of your lawn. As you can see from my videos, I use quite large ones for our large lawns as well as small pedestrian ones. But even for your own garden, simply using a general garden fork to create those holes will do your lawn a world of good and make them look really good for the summer.